Now that you have created your classroom and added your students, you are ready to add some course content. After logging in to BSD Online, be sure to click on the Your Classrooms tab and then find the class that you want to add content to. Click Add Content found at the bottom of the screen. This will give you a side menu to choose from. You have courses, projects, or custom content. Let's focus on courses for now. Click on the program that you would like to look closer at. Find the course and click Preview. From here, you can look at the entire progression of the course. You can dive deeper into each project. And if you decide that this is not the one that you want to start with, simply click the X, which will bring you back to the menu. Find the one that you want, click Preview, and then Add Course. Now that course is added to your classroom, and you can dive in deeper to see that each project with its slides, quiz, and planning document has all been attached. All the content at BSD Education is customizable. For example, if I click on Interactive Story and then the slides, I'm given the option to download it to my own Google Drive. From there, I can make any changes to the slides that I feel necessary. If you're short on time, you can easily delete any project that you will not have time to complete with the students. After all desired changes have been made, don't forget to toggle the editing switch to teaching mode. Now, you will be able to view the students' progress and follow along with the projects.